Bitcoin's next major target is around the $60,000. So for now, a next leg is confirmed for Bitcoin, but I'm gonna look for major trade opportunities around the $60,000 level. Also on the lower time frame, we have been stopped out, break even on my short position, but a major trade setup is cooking on Bitcoin. I will deep dive into every single detail on the higher time frame and of course on the lower time frame, the next trading setup that is unfolding in the market right now. But first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and most importantly, to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those updates. And let's dive right away into the content for now, because this chart is pretty exciting for a bounce for Bitcoin. Well, we have been seeing compression in the top pattern right over here, but Bitcoin has been breaking down right over here, and that was not a really good signal. After that breakdown, we have been dropping approximately 40% towards the downside for Bitcoin. After that, we need to find really good support for Bitcoin. We have been breaking this support. We have been breaking almost this support. And I really think that if we look at trendline support, the next major support is sitting around the $60,000. That means, of course, that we will see another dump towards the downside. But if we see so, I really think that Bitcoin could see a little bit of a bounce on the $60,000 to see a relief rally towards the maybe $95,000 before seeing the next leg towards the downside for Bitcoin. So for now, I'm not really sure if this is the Bitcoin bottom still, but I really think that we will see a further move towards the downside. And if we hit that $60,000, if we pushing buyers back into the market, if we see buy momentum getting formed, I really think this is a really good situation to scale in some Bitcoin to trade the relief rally towards the upside before the next leg towards the downside. The other way around, if we break the $60,000 further towards the downside, that could end up really bad for Bitcoin, because then we will see a downfall to approximately the $45,000 for Bitcoin. And that will, of course, not be a really good signal. If we see so, that is a major opportunity in the market to scale in your Bitcoin positions. So both situations are really good. Are we gonna get supported by the $60,000? I'm gonna scale something in to trade to move towards the upside of approximately 40%. If we break it further towards the downside, I'm gonna scale in even more around the $45,000. And if we see a bounce from of that level, the gains are maximized from of that point. Then if you look at the lower time frame, we have been in this short for over the past few days. I said that I set my stop loss on break even on this short. We have been stopped out on this short right over here on break even, because I was looking at least a 3 risk to reward ratio, and that was approximately at this point. We were really close to take the first profit out and see profits getting in the pocket for the trades, but what we have been seeing is a reversal from of that point, and right now I've been stopped out break even, so didn't lose on this trade. Maybe I was a little bit too greedy to wait for that 1 to 3 risk to reward to take the first profits out, but we didn't lose. And this is also what trading is, a reversal towards the upside to take you out, and maybe we will see the further next leg towards the downside for now. But this short position was a really good one. For now, what is important? I've been talking about this zone for a lot here, and you can literally watch back my daily update videos from the last few days, and I've been drawing this support zone for over days here. Right now we have been seeing a really good support. This is the next trade I am looking out for, but it is really important to gain the next high towards the upside. Otherwise, we will probably see another leg towards the downside for Bitcoin. So for now, the red zone is pretty important for Bitcoin. I want to see a candle open and a close above, search for a retest, and on that retest I'm gonna long the Bitcoin price towards the upside, towards at least the $70,800, and a trade would look something like this. So if this unfolds in the market, if we see a gain from of this level, candle open and a close, I will keep you posted over on my free Telegram group with the first link in the description. So please make sure to join the free Telegram community with the first link in the description, because if something unfolds in the market, you will be the first one to be noticed. And of course, it is even more important to subscribe over on my YouTube channel, because like today, I'm discussing the markets every single day, also the shorter time frames. So if something unfolds, you will be the first one to hear it over on my YouTube channel. So please make sure to subscribe over on that one as well. And if you want to get updated throughout the day on crypto, please make sure to follow me over on X, and you will be never missing something big in crypto ever again. If the next trading setup unfolds, you will be the first one to hear on those socials, so please make sure to follow me over on there. And if you want to trade those moves by yourself, I literally call everything live. So please make sure to trade it by yourself. And if you want to trade those moves by yourself, please make sure to do it on a safely and secure exchange. The best exchanges out there are BTCC and MEXC, so please make sure to get yourself in the best trading circumstances possible and sign up on one of those exchanges through the links in the description. You will have the best trading circumstances, the best trading fees, and the best liquidity out there, and of course your funds are really safe there. So please make sure to give yourself a really good trading environment over on those exchanges with the link in the description. Also, if you look at some on-chain data, what we actually can see is that the funding rates on all the exchanges are turning negative massively here. This is that the positioning is heavily skewed towards the bearish side. When the negative fundings persist for days, it shows conviction but also crowding, and crowded trades don't unwind gently. If everyone is short in the market, that is just what market makers does. If everyone is in shorts in the market and a Bitcoin price keeps falling towards the downside, everyone is making money. And we all know that not everybody can make any money, even in the market. Even 90% in the market will lose money. So if everyone is short, what we can see on the funding rates, we can also know that maybe a short squeeze is around the corner, and that is exactly what I've been searching for on these funding rates. Most of the times we have been seeing negative funding rates massively. The Bitcoin price spiked towards the upside again and took every single short out, and that is something that is happening right now. And I'm really interested to see what the Bitcoin price will do next with such a negative funding rate right now. Pretty interesting, and I'm keeping, of course, my eyes really close on those on-chain charts, because on-chain is just a big alpha into the trading market here. Ending with that, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X, and of course to subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And if you like those daily update videos, please make sure to like this daily update video, and I will see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.